How to fix Microsoft Teams error CAA20002. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run Windows Store apps and network troubleshooters. These built-in tools in Windows automatically diagnose and fix problems that may prevent Microsoft Teams from functioning properly or connecting to the Internet. If that didn't work, copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Delete all files and folders in the directory. Restart Teams. If that didn't work, now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.